back to my channel. If you're new here, my name is Anna. I'm a mom of 4. On this channel, you're gonna find homemaking, homeschooling, all of that kind of content here. So I hope that you will stick around and go ahead and give this video a thumbs up and subscribe if you haven't already. Now, today is a fun day. I'm gonna be sharing with you a day in the life of my first grader. Somebody needed mommy. So today we are gonna be following around my first grader, Landon. We are going to just show you kind of what it's like in a day in his life. So we're gonna show you his homeschooling, kind of his chores, and kind of like his routine and his schedule. It is about 10 a.m. and normally we would have started school by now, but it's been a little bit of a slow morning since I got a workout in and all of that. So we are gonna start school now. I'm about to put this little fella down, and then, but before all of this, the kiddos have eaten breakfast. They've done a lot of their morning chores, and they have also started on their morning warm-ups. And so all of that stuff has already been done. So now we just need to do like our morning time and our core subjects. So I hope that you guys enjoy it. Come on, let's get started.
Ziba was the real traitor, not Mephibosheth. The crippled prince was loyal to David. The priest sent the news of Absalom's plans to David, and he set up camp at Mahanaim in the land of Gad. He called his supporters to come there from all parts of the country. When they came, David was ready for any attack Absalom might make against him. Absalom would ask,
What are some things that Benjamin Franklin invented?
Fire stations, police stations, a type of stove, glasses, and
What did he start the first? Remember he started the first?
a mail
Library.
library, and the post.
I'm not gonna talk over
And
each
they
other.
used to have to go to the post office to get their mail, but now they just threw it at their door.
About how the features of Mars were formed, including its many volcanoes. There is still so much to learn about the ancient history of Mars and why it is no longer a warm, wet world that could have likely supported life. Maven is helping scientists connect the pieces of this puzzle. Okay, the boat was late. We are now moving across the lake. It is 11:55 now, and we got on the boat 5 minutes ago. What time did we get on the boat?
Wait, what time was it?
It was 11:55, and they got on the boat 5 minutes before that. What's 5 minutes?
11:50.
Good, yeah. So we will arrive 5 minutes from now. What time will we arrive?
5 minutes from now.
Yeah, but it's 12:20, and 5 minutes from 12:20 would be what?
12:25.
Good. We are.
A commitment is a responsibility. Sometimes we make a commitment by saying we will do something, and sometimes we have a commitment because it's the right thing to do. Here are some examples. I kept my promise and committed to take care of my neighbor's dog all week.
This word is good. Yeah. Lowercase. Good handwriting. Good.
He's bad.
Good. But the stick needs to go all the way to the top, remember? Good job. That's exactly how you spell it. Good work. Tell me a sentence that uses the word R-E-D.
I have a nice red Simpson.
Good job. Okay, now tell me a sentence that uses the word R-E-A-D, like I read a book.
I read a big.
I read
a big, long, old Bible.
Good job.
The girl a book. The girl read a book.
Which one of these? Is it this one or this one?
This one.
Yes. Okay. So look, you're drawing a line to that blank. What, baby?
Sock is. This sock is red.
Which one? Yeah. Good job. Okay, it is 12:15. We got all of morning time done. We got his math done, and we got about halfway through his language arts. And now we're going to take a little bit of a break for lunch, and then after lunch we're going to come back and finish the rest of his language arts. And also we are going to do his reading, and then I think he is done with school for the day after that, and then he'll have his afternoon chores. Normally with him we are completely done before lunchtime, but like I said earlier, we got a little bit later start today, so we'll just finish up after lunch. Artist who made the trees paints the leaves so beautifully. A swirl of yellow and orange and red come floating down about my head. The wonderful artist is God above. I thank him for his works of love. Okay, so now you're going to write a book report. And so is this the one you want to do?
Mm-hmm.
Okay, what's this one called?
BB8 finds a friend.
Okay, so the first thing I want you to do is write the title of the book. So write BB8 finds a friend right here on the purple line. And then after that, you're going to tell me why you like the book, 2 reasons that you like the book, and what you're grateful for about good books.
Where the silk sorts with the fish, Pete, friend, cat.
It's actually the next day after that day in the life, because that day got away from me. I had a bunch of conference calls I had to get on. And so the rest of the afternoon though, he just spent doing his chores and playing outside. He is my one child that needs more physical activity than all of the rest of them. He thrives on just being outside and playing. So we let him do that. We let him have most of the day free for him to roam and play and be creative and read books and do all the things that he loves to do. And that is the joy and beauty of homeschool. He in particular would be suffocated in a public school. The fact that he would have to sit most of the day and not be able to be active and outside would really be detrimental to him, I know. So I'm just so thankful that we are able to homeschool him, and he is a joy. He is also my most challenging one, but it really has been a joy to see him blossom and grow this school year, so I'm very proud of him. And I just wanted to thank you guys for watching this video. Be sure you give it a thumbs up before you head out, and subscribe if you haven't already. And I do plan on doing a day in the life of my 4th grader, and that will be out very soon as well, so stay tuned for that. And until then, I'll see y'all.